What? Double? With one gun?
Oh my gosh.
Dude!
Holy cow.
We're back in Nebraska. This is, I guess, yeah, we're back a year later. Just landed in Omaha. We had to fly this year because we now have jobs, so that's awesome. We are flying under the radar though. We've got our little Nissan Rogue, so we're gonna be very...
Those some turkeys in the trunk.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Game warden, they're not gonna know. Yeah, we're meeting up with Matt and Alex here. They're gonna give us all of our stuff. They drove up earlier in the week. We're driving right into probably some nasty weather, so we're gonna slowly make our way there, but I mean,
we've already spotted some birds right outside Omaha. We've probably already seen, what, 8 or 10 birds?
Oh yeah.
So, storm's gonna get out of here tonight. Got some tornadoes and stuff, but it's gonna be gone tonight. We're gonna go to the spot that Luke shot his bird last year. We're gonna go to that spot in the morning, set up, and just listen. If we make it through all the tornadoes and everything.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, gotta survive first. But yeah, we're back a year later, and I mean we're more than excited. So hoping it's a good trip. Afraid it's gonna honk though. That's fine. Day one, back out here in the same place where I shot my bird last year. So far we can hear them. They're on the roost about northeast of us right now. We're gonna go set up and sit and see if we can't wait on them, since we know where they're going. It is a crispy 39 degrees, so we are both a little chilly. Did not pack too well for this morning, but feeling pretty good. I think we'll see how it goes.
birds of the morning have been spotted. We just called in 3 jakes and 1 hen to about 5 yards. They came all the way across this big ag field right to us, and they just worked up the hill behind us, so we just needed a big gobbler to do that. Look at him. Yeah, peek over real quick. You see him?
Dude, get your gun up.
Get your gun up.
You love a good jake. Oh, they didn't like
No, I didn't like that at all. Yeah.
Give the people an update.
Alright. It's about 8:15. You see, we've just been messing with some jakes all day. Brought out Tony, mess with him a little bit. You know, I do want to make something clear this, though. You know, you get the Reaper this, Reaper that. We're here for a weekend. We're here to kill a turkey, so
You gotta do what you gotta do.
you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't care. Yeah. Please, get real. But check out some other spots. And just keep going from there. It's warmed up a little bit. It's still a little cold. Wind's coming out too, but still shaping up to look like it'll be a pretty nice day.
Those 3 jakes weren't the birds that we heard on the roof.
They were not. I think the other ones are think they went the opposite way of us. So we're just gonna go see what we can find out.
Alright, what's the plan? What's going on?
Alright, so we've spotted a bird. It's about another parcel over. He's coming this way though. So
We got like one full property between us and him.
yeah. So we're gonna try and sneak down into this creek, try and get up to the edge, see if we can't pull him over to us a little bit. But I mean, he was by himself, so we'll see. It's looking good though.
Yeah. So we spotted that bird from the road earlier. We came down off this bluff to the creek bottom, these big ag fields, trying to get out in front of them and cut them off. When we did, we ran into a big group of birds across the creek. So we got down in the creek, crossed it, made our way around. We're about 250 yards from them. Just called to him, got him to gobble. I just crawled out there, set the hen decoy out. So we'll see if we can pull him over.
People an update.
Well, as you can see, We had those 2 jakes come in. One of them actually had some really good spurs. I was itching for the trigger there for a second. But
calm them down.
yeah, they went back into this corner of this field. We're gonna probably come back out here in the afternoon. I don't want to press them too hard. We know they're here, so we're gonna go back, drive around to some other places, go say hey to some people, then come back out here in the afternoon probably, unless something changes. But it's a whole lot of jakes, I know that. Looking. That's closer than we got to shooting any wood duck during duck season this year.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
It'd be cool to shoot some wood ducks on this little creek. That was cool.
That was really cool.
Give us a rundown.
Alright, well, we went and got some lunch. Amazing. Stellar. Shout out. I'm not going to say it. Don't want to give away our location. But, stellar place. We're going to go sit back where we saw those toms earlier today. Try and catch them coming back to the roost. It's 2:30, so we're still in a little bit of a lull. Might find a nice shaded tree, take a nap, but hopefully they come back around and we're able to get it done.
What are you thinking over there?
There you go. Make some money moves. We're gonna bring out Tony to play, so we're gonna get after it. Hopefully they can really only either be up there in the corner where they were earlier, back behind us in the field where we messed with them earlier, or they're 5 miles away that way. So we're just gonna go and see if we can't come up with something, and if not, we'll leave them for the morning and come back up and set up right where we saw them this earlier today. So we'll see. No way.
What? What? Double? With one gun?
Oh my gosh.
Dude!
Holy cow. I smoked old boy in full strut, but I don't care. Oh.
Dude, I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, say what you will. Say what you will about our guy.
Dude, they
care.
were 400 yards.
Yeah.
400 yards away, probably. Wind's blowing to us, so they couldn't barely hear any calling.
Dude, let's
go.
freaking go. Holy cow.
What a turnaround for the Jake day.
Yeah. Oh, that was awesome. Yeah, my guy was full strut, but whatever, dude. They weren't.
Dude, you freaking smoked him. He's not even flopping. And the other one stood there and started looking. And handed the gun to me.
Oh, I smoked the fan off of him, didn't I? No, I didn't.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Oh, yes. Look at the beard on this boy. Oh my gosh.
Gosh, dude. All right. Well, we got it done in Nebraska. Doubled up. We set up this afternoon in this drainage ditch where we'd seen them this morning, and they were not here most of the afternoon. Finally, we heard a gobble way off, and we spotted them about 450 yards away. They were upwind of us, so they were having a hard time hearing this call. And they couldn't see our decoys where they were, so we snuck out in the middle of the field with the scoot and shoot, got their attention, and they came in, closed the distance pretty quick, came in, shot them at like 15 yards. Luke shot his first in full strut and then handed the gun to me, and I shot the other one that was still standing right there wondering what was happening. So shot him, what was it, 6:30, 7 o'clock?
Yeah, 7 o'clock, around that. So
it's been a long day, but couldn't ask for a better ending.
yeah, whole lot of Jakes, but got what we came here for.
Got it done.
Had a whole lot of fun doing it too, so it's been a good trip. Sounds good.